exercise 2.6. The given sum is given. Find the sum of the following. Find the sum of the following. That is called sum of the series in AP. How we have to find this is given is AP means the difference is what? 7 minus 3, 4, 11 minus 7, 4. So definitely this given series in AP. Right? So in previous class I give the introduction of AP and GP, and also I give the formula for sum of the series in AP, sum of the series in GP also. Kindly refer the previous class, right? So here Sn series formula is what? Sn equal to 2a n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we are having the terms up to 40 terms we are having. So n equal to 40, a equal to 3, and then we have to find the d. Like that we have to do. Now subdivision 3, 6 plus 13 plus 20 plus and so on 97. So continuously 6, 13, 20, then 27, then 34, like this we add means the term will be end of the term is 97. How many terms we are having, that one we have to find here, and then we have to add. How we have to find means n equal to L minus a by d plus 1. This is the formula for finding the value of n. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on 11. Like this I given 1, 3, 5 and so on 11. So how many terms we are having means, listen, this is A, this is L, this is first term, this one is last term. So here difference is D equal to 2. So I written what? We have to find n means they need to use this formula. How it is possible means last term is what? 11. First term is what? 1. Difference is what? 2 plus 1. 11 minus 1, 10 by 2 plus 1. 10 by 2 means 5. N equal to 5 plus 1, 6. So here we are having 6 terms we are having. So it will be proved. So how it is possible means 1, 3, 5. Next term is what? Definitely 7. Next term is what? Definitely 9 plus 1 plus 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms we are having. So n equal to 6. Sir, in examination like this given means straightly we can do. In the examination they are given here odd terms up to 197 is given means how it is possible to find the answer. So like this they are given means how we have to find, we need to use this formula to finding the n. First term minus last term minus first term by 2 plus 1 you put means we get the n value. Right. Then here sum of the series we have to find the value also. Right. So this sum we are having first term and the last term means just you write n by 2 a plus l. First term last term we are having means that is a and l we are having means straightly write the formula n by 2 a plus l. Here we don't know l. First we have to find the n. First we have to find the n and then substitute here, because here we are having a and l. We don't know what is n. So first we have to find the n. For that reason n equal to l minus a by d plus 1 we have to put find the n, and then you have to substitute means we get the answer. Clear? So now come to the point. Sum number 1, 3, 7, 11 and so on up to 40 times we are having means a equal to 3 first term, t equal definitely 4, 7 minus 3 4, 7 minus 3 4, n equal to 40 because they are given up to 40 terms means 40 terms is there. Right. So Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This equal to n by 2. N means what? 40. 40 by 2. That is here also 40. Where we are having n, we have to write 40. 40 by 2. 2a. 2 into 3. Plus n minus 1. 40 minus 1. D is what? 4. In examination, no need to write like this and that. We know very well means just you write 26 plus 39 into 4. This stuff will be enough. Then 26 39 into 4. 30 into 4 120. 9 into 4 36. 156 we are having. 20 into 6 plus 156. 162. This is equal to 182. So 0 we are having. So final answer we are getting 1820 is the answer for 40 terms. Up to 40 terms we add means, this terms we add means we are getting 1820. This is 2 mark for you. Right? And then subdivision 3. Subdivision 2 is common for you. Subdivision 3. Here A is given 6. D is 13 minus 6, 7. L equal to 97. So we need N. So N equal to L minus A by D plus 1. L is what? 97. A equal to 6. D equal to 7 plus 1. 97 minus 6. 91 by 7 plus 1. 7. 10 times 70. 77, 84, 91. So 7, 13 times. 13 plus 1. 14. Therefore, N equal to 14. We will find N equal to 14. So we need to find the sum of the following. So A and L are we are having means straightly we will write N by 2 A plus L. N equal to 14. Yes, 14. 14 by 2 7. A equal to 6. L equal to 97. 7 into 103. 100 into 7, 700. 3 into 7, 21. 721 is the answer for the sum. That is S14. Here 14 terms we return means we add with 14 terms means we are getting 721. This is the answer for the sum. Take down and thank you.